What's up, guys? Before this video gets started, I just want to remind you guys that we are on the road to 10,000 subs, and as soon as we reach 10,000 subs, I will be giving away my old wheel set, and the faster we get to 10K, the faster I'm going to give away this wheel set, so make sure you guys are subscribed. In today's video, I finally landed a trick that I've been trying for like at least 3 years. It's been forever. It's not even necessarily like that hard of a trick. I've just been stuck on it for so long, and I finally got it today, and I'm so happy that I can finally say that I can do this trick. So make sure you guys watch to the end so you can see what new trick I learned. Also, everybody else in this video kills it. There's a shitload of BMX and a shitload of fireworks because the 4th of July just happened. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know by leaving a like, leave a comment, give me your thoughts and opinions. Share this video around. Subscribe for more if you haven't already and you enjoy the content that I put out. Hit the bell notification. Follow me on Instagram. Follow all my friends on Instagram. Everyone's username will be at the end of the video. Yeah, I think I've finished being a tool. Did I? I don't know. Let's go into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Whatever. There.
That was cool. Awesome.
I did it. Ah! Oh. Damn it. Fuck. Ah, fuck. Oh. I did it. I just died. Yo. Hey, go guys, go. Oh. We're having a good time right now. That was cool.
That is some safe drive.
Go ahead. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh, booyah!
Lord by his children.
Oi!
Oh fuck.
Oh fuck. Oh. Ah! Discount Nitro Circus starting now. Yo. Oh, dude, just land it. Freaking! Yo, that was cool. Dude, just land it. Yo, that was sick. Oh, yo. Hell yeah. Oh my god. Tell everyone to subscribe to Den Den BMX.
Subscribe to Den Den BMX.
Hell yeah. There you go. Fuck yeah, that was sick. He's not done. Of course he's not. It's Preston. Oh, all right.
Oh, I did a nose bump.
Yo, oh my god. Holy fuck. I hope it caught all that.
We're gonna be going. That was sick. Yes, baby. Oh!
I better get 10K for that.